फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स का टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड वर्सेस चेंज इन डिमांड, और यू कैन से क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड वर्सेस डिमांड। दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है ये हम इस लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे। देखने में एक जैसी चीजें लगती हैं, बट दोनों टेक्निकली क्या है, दोनों कंसेप्ट एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन। ठीक, first you have to understand what is change in quantity demanded. See, there are various determinant of demand like price of commodity, income of consumer, price of related goods, taste and preferences, future expectation about price, size of population, composition of population, seasonal variation, distribution of income. There are various factors which impact the demand of a commodity or services. But when we are discussing the concept of change in quantity demanded, then we assume that the demand of a commodity is only changed because of change in price. Other determinant of demand remain constant. Means there is no change in price of related goods, there is no change in income of consumer, there is no change in taste and preferences, there is no change in future expectation future expectation about price, and so on. Means all other determinant of demand or the factor on which demand of a commodity depends remain constant. Demand change because of change in price of the commodity. The effect of change in quantity demanded study by classifying into two categories. One is expansion of demand and another is contraction of demand. Expansion of demand and contraction of demand. Contraction of demand. Or you can say the concept of change in quantity demanded further classified into two categories: expansion of demand and contraction of demand. Expansion means increase, contraction means decrease. But technically, for increase we use expansion word for quantity demanded and contraction word for quantity decreases. See, expansion of demand is the situation when price of a commodity decreases, due to that demand of a commodity increases. Price of a commodity decreases, demand of a commodity increases. For example, suppose at a price of a commodity 10 rupees per unit, demand of a commodity is 100. The price of a commodity decreased to rupees 8, then the demand of a commodity increased to 130. This situation is called expansion of demand. Means change in demand from 100 to 130 is called expansion of demand. Then the next concept is contraction of demand. Contraction of demand is the situation when price increases, due to that demand of a commodity or services decreases. Means this is the situation in which due to change in price of a commodity, or you can say increase in price of a commodity, demand of a commodity decreases. If we explain this with the help of number, we assume, suppose price of a commodity is 10, at rupees 10, demand of a commodity is 100. Price of a commodity increased to rupees 12, due to that demand of a commodity decreases to 80 units. This situation is called contraction of demand. Means expansion means due to decrease in price, demand of a commodity increases. Contraction means due to increase in price of a commodity, demand of a commodity decreases. But by keeping other determinant of demand constant, means there is no change in other determinant of demand. We can explain this situation with the help of curve. Suppose this is our original situation. On x-axis we take quantity, and on y-axis we take price of a commodity. See, this is our original situation, means you can see that this is origin and this is the situation when price of a commodity is rupees 10. At rupees 10, the demand of a commodity is rupees 100. This is our original situation. Then price of a commodity decreases from 10 to 8. Suppose this is 8. Price of a commodity decreases from 10 to 8. Due to that, demand of a commodity increases from 100 to 130. This situation is called expansion of demand. Suppose this is our original point, and from point A to B, the movement from point A to B is called expansion of demand. Means downward movement on the same demand curve is called expansion of demand. See, this is downward movement on the same demand curve. We are not changing the demand curve. We are on the same demand curve, which is for 10 rupees price. Clear है? So movement from point A to B, or you can say downward movement on the same demand curve, is called expansion of demand. Similarly, if price of a commodity increases, means it will become rupees 12, then demand of a commodity decreases. It will become 80. This situation is called contraction of demand, or you can see that movement from point A to C is called contraction of demand. Contraction of demand. See, you can see that upward movement on the same demand curve is called contraction of demand. Downward movement on the same demand curve is called expansion of demand. Upward movement on the same demand curve is called contraction of demand. Or you can explain with the help of price. See, price decreases, demand increases. The situation is called expansion. Price increases, demand decreases. This situation is called contraction. I hope आपको contraction, expansion and change in quantity demand clear हो गया. Now come at change in demand. When demand of a commodity change because of other determinant of demand, price remain constant. Means this is the situation in which price of a commodity remain constant, but demand of a commodity change due to other factor of demand. You can see that price of related goods, income of consumer, taste and preferences, fashion, there are many determinants. Demand change because of other determinants except price. Then that change is called change in demand. Clear है? यानी कि change in quantity demanded is because of price, other determinant of demand remain constant. Change in demand is because of change in other determinant of demand by keeping price of the commodity constant. The effect of change in demand is classified into two categories: increase in demand and decrease in demand. Increase in demand and decrease in demand. See, due to other factors, if demand of a commodity increases, then that change is called increase in demand. Due to other factors, if the demand of a commodity decreases, the situation is called decrease in demand. देखने में एक जैसे मीनिंग लगते हैं, लेकिन टेक्निकली हमें एक्सपेंशन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन उस सिचुएशन में यूज करना है जब प्राइस चेंज होता है, और अगर प्राइस के अलावा अदर फैक्टर चेंज होते हैं, देन हमें क्या यूज करना है? इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज. क्लियर है? इंक्रीज मीन्स प्राइस कांस्टेंट बट अदर फैक्टर्स चेंज ड्यू टू दैट डिमांड ऑफ अ कमोडिटी चेंज. You can explain this with the help of numbers. It is not possible to explain other determinant of demand on the same demand curve. There are various other determinants: price of related good, income of consumer, taste and preferences, and so on. This is not possible to show the effect of all factors on the same demand curve. That's why this effect is also shown with the help of price and quantity of a commodity. Suppose price of a commodity is 10, but due to other factors, demand of a commodity increases. Means price is 10 in the second situation also, but demand increases. This situation is called increase in demand. तो हम सारे फैक्टर यहाँ पे दिखा नहीं सकते हैं, तो कंपैरेटिवली कैसे दिखाते हैं हम? प्राइस कांस्टेंट बट ड्यू टू अदर फैक्टर डिमांड इंक्रीजेस. Similarly, for decrease in demand, price of a commodity same, suppose 10, but due to other factor, demand of a commodity decreases from 100 to 70. It may be because of related goods, because of income of consumers, taste and preferences, any reason. But the reason behind this change is not the price of the commodity. Means decrease when price constant, but due to other factors demand decreases. We also explain this situation with the help of curve. This is our original situation when demand of a commodity is 100 units at the price of rupees 10. On x-axis we take quantity and on y-axis we take price. Quantity and price. Okay. This is the original situation. Price 10 rupees per unit, demand 100 units. Now, due to other factors, demand of a commodity increases. As you can see in the number, price remains constant. Price constant, but due to other factor, demand increases. In this situation, demand curve shifted in upward direction. In case of increase in demand, demand curve shifted in upward direction. This shift is called increase in demand. See, price 10, but due to other factor, demand of a commodity increases from 100 to 150. Diagram भी same चीज represent कर रहा है, which we explain with the help of statement. Similarly, we show the situation of decrease in demand. In case of decrease in demand, demand curve shifted in downward direction. Means upward shift is called increase in demand, downward shift is called decrease in demand. See, price same rupees 10, but due to other factors, demand of a commodity decreases from 100 to 70. This is decrease in demand, this is the situation of increase in demand. तो जो चीजें हमने स्टेटमेंट में बताई है, सेम चीजें हमने डायग्राम से उनको शो किया. क्लियर? नाउ कम एट द फाइनल कंपैरिजन. सी, इन केस ऑफ चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड, मूवमेंट अलोंग द डिमांड कर्व. आपने देखा सेम ये डिमांड कर्व पे हम लोग क्या करे थे? मूवमेंट करे थे. दिस इज आवर डिमांड कर्व, दिस इज ओरिजिनल सिचुएशन. प्राइस डिक्रीजेस, डिमांड इंक्रीजेस. मीन्स डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड expansion of demand and upward movement is called contraction of demand, as we already discussed. In case of change in demand, shift in demand curve means demand curve shifted in upward and downward direction. Upward shift in demand curve is called increase in demand and downward shift in demand curve is called decrease in demand, as we discussed. The change in quantity demanded further classified into two categories, extension or you can say expansion of demand and contraction of demand. In case of extension, as I already explained you, caused by decrease in price of the same commodity. Contraction because of increases in the price of the commodity. Shift in demand curve further classified into two categories, decrease in demand and increase in demand. This is because of the change in other factors. Here other factor means you can write the name of some factor, price of related goods, income of consumer, taste and preferences, etc. Means all other determinate except price. Okay? तो ये हमारा था डिफरेंस चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड एंड चेंज इन डिमांड. Change in quantity demanded because of price, other constant. Change in demand because of other determinate, price constant. I hope आपको इसका डिफरेंस क्लियर हो गया होगा. इसमें से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके बनते हैं. What is the difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand? What is the difference between extension of demand and increase in demand? What is the difference between contraction of demand and decrease in demand and so on. तो आपको अगर नॉलेज है तो आप ये सारे डिफरेंस पॉइंट्स में मेंशन करके यानी कि अच्छे से राइट कर सकते हैं इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. ठीक है दोस्तों, सेशन पसंद आया होगा तो सेशन को लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए. अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए. दोस्तों मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.